What's up guys, CeeLow here, and let me put the windows up for a bit. But yeah, what's going on guys, it's CeeLow, and today I'm gonna bring back a really popular video on my channel. It's actually the most viewed video I have on my channel right now. It's gonna be a point of view night drive. I'm gonna go pick up my keys for this car because me and my friends partied too hard, and yeah, I ended up leaving my car somewhere, so I'm using the spare keys right now. But yeah, let's go ahead and pick up my main keys. I just got out the gym right now, so yeah, I'm gonna go pick up my keys right now from his house because they're in his car. So yeah, we're gonna drive over to the homie's house right now, and I was like, might as well record a point of view drive as well. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy the video, and yeah, I'll start the video once I'm on the freeway. All right, lights should turn green right now. I was actually supposed to get my keys yesterday because he was closer to my area yesterday, but it's cool. If everything happens for a reason, now I get to record a point of view drive. So yeah, it's fucking cold right now, so you guys are lucky. I'm gonna put the windows down just for the sake of the video. All right, enjoy the drive, boys. Let's hope there's not too much wind noise. That shit was loud. God damn, that shit was loud. Veloster. We got a little Veloster on the way. You guys think he's trying to run it? Or he's not that guy, or a girl, or a person? That shit is loud. Yes sir, so this is downtown in Vegas. God damn. We're here at the exit. Let's see if this dumbass sent me his fucking address. Oh, he did. What a goddamn idiot. Alright, there's a cop right in front of me. I was gonna get next to him, but honestly, the rules in Vegas like really changed. So yeah, if you guys don't know, I live in Vegas. And the rules changed a lot. Like, you can even get a ticket, you can even get an exhaust ticket now. I'd be seeing a bunch of people on Instagram that already got an exhaust ticket, and we weren't like Cali, man. We were way different, you know. So now I guess the Cali stuff is kind of, you know, kind of hooking onto here now. So I see a cop right there. But yeah, I don't know, man. Like, I have one of my homies. He was actually one of my videos. You guys know Reckless. Yeah, his exhaust is really loud, not gonna lie. But like, I wonder like what's their max, because you know, they haven't really, well, I personally don't know any information like that. Obviously my exhaust is not as loud as his, but yeah, man, he got like there's people out here getting exhaust tickets now, and fucking, I knew I would get in trouble for my flames. Like, that's why I never do it around cops. But shit, man, if like someone ever gets me like for that shit, I'm pretty sure I might have to take off the tune. Thankfully it's not something too hard, you know, but you know, it's pretty fucking scary. Actually his bumps are not that bad at all. I'm actually kinda happy. Yeah, we pulled up to the homie's house. Gonna go ahead and grab my keys. Alright boys, we got the keys. I'm gonna go ahead and take these out because these are kind of cringe. Look, it's just a spare key that I have. But yeah, let's put the real keys in now. Let's go. But yeah, as I was saying, yeah, Nevada, or I don't know if it's Nevada or Vegas in general, but yeah, they're getting really fucking strict out here with the car scene. It's because all the people that are included in takeovers and shit. Me personally, I don't participate in those stuff. I don't know, I don't know, maybe this is an unpopular opinion. I think it's pretty fucking stupid how people are so amazed by doing donuts. Like, you know, like, I don't know, it's just not my thing, man, to be honest. I'm more of like a stands guy, park and chill. I just like appreciating cars, you know. Not much of a donut fucking takeover type of guy. But I mean, I guess respect to everyone that's in that scene, because it's pretty fucking sketch. But yeah, man, hopefully I never get caught up by the cops. I'm pretty sure I could have gotten in trouble for my flames this whole time. It's actually already been a year since I've been tuned. Damn, there's another cop over there. But yeah, it's actually been a year since I've been tuned. So yeah, man, the car's running strong. I'm not gonna lie, I think it's time I get a revision tune on the E46, probably in the future. You know, honestly, I'm really slacking on the mods lately, just because I've been having a lot of not problems, but a lot of stuff have been coming up. For example, I'm leaking coolant again. It's a very minor. It's by the fucking coolant reservoir again. I swear, I leak from there. That's the only place I ever leak coolant from. So yeah, man, I gotta replace that. The other day, a couple weeks ago, it's been a long time, my tire actually exploded. So yeah, I'll throw in a picture of that. And then, as you guys saw from a couple, what is it, 2 videos ago, my serpentine belt took a shit. So yeah, man, just really little things just happening on the E46. I don't want to waste money on a mod just yet, even though, you know, mod's over maintenance, right? How's that not a cop? Yeah, that's a truck. thing is bumpy as fuck. Rip, coolant light, like I said, boys. Holy shit. Got a little Honda. What the hell is wrong with this guy? What is wrong with him? Oh shit. Happening here? Just some digging. Holy shit. That shit's fucking crazy. Yeah, if you guys haven't already, make sure to subscribe to the channel. We're at 200 subscribers, man. Let's get to 1,000 by the end of the year, making more E46 content. And yeah, man, I know I've been lagging on the content. I'm trying to upload 2 times a week now. Yeah, I'm trying to upload 2 times a week now. So, but I don't really want to waste money, you know. So I do have a couple mods laying around the house. I have some rear camber arms that I never threw on the car. Just because I know they're pretty difficult to do, especially the driver's side one. You gotta do something with the diff and stuff. So yeah, man, that's the only thing. But I could probably do it. You know, everything I do on this car I do by myself. Now I always underestimate myself, thinking I can't do it. Then the time comes and then I actually am able to do it, you know. Yeah, I'm always able to do it, even though I always say I'm not. So I might do that, but then that's the thing, I'm gonna have to get an alignment to the car, and I really do not want to do that. So and I kind of want to get an alignment once I get the camber plates in the front and I add spacers all around. So yeah, I'll probably have to wait. If anything, I'll probably roll my fenders. That'll probably be a bit better video to do, you know. And I also really want to deep detail this car, like take off the seats, do everything, you know. But I don't have a shop vac, so yeah, man, it's just things after things, man. I also want to do a 2-year review on the E46, since it is about to be 2 years since I bought the car. And I also want to do a video on why you guys should get one if you guys are in the market to get your first, you know, modified car, your first car you guys want to, you know, do stuff to it, stuff like that. So yeah, man, those are some videos I have coming up. So yeah, make sure to subscribe, like the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one, man. Peace out.